Hey everybody, it's Brent with Clean Cut Woodworking. I'm going to do a quick video on the router sled. I know I've showed you guys how to use it on big slabs and whatnot, but this video is going to be mainly for smaller boards and cutting boards. First thing you can do is see how your board is uneven. So you go ahead and tap on both corners and find you a high spot and a low spot. Wherever your board sits high, you just go ahead and throw a shim under it. After that, what I normally do is I'll just take some scraps and screw it on either side of the smaller piece that I'm trying to do, and that'll actually hold it and lock it in place whenever you go to plane the board. And just like any other piece that you would do, is you set your depth, make your passes until you get one good complete side. Once you get the good complete side, you can take it out. Set it down on a flat surface. Make sure that you're nice and flat on one side. Once you're flat on that side, then you go ahead and put it back down. Put your boards back in, screw them back down to your workbench, and then do the other side. Once the other side's finished up, that's it. You're nice and flat, you're nice and even. Go ahead and test it out on your flat workbench or flat surface. Make sure that everything's nice and flat, and you're good to go. It was just a quick little video for you guys today, just so you get an idea of what it takes for smaller pieces to be used with the router sled. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, comments, likes, dislikes, let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned, I'll have some more videos later on for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure and find me on all the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. They're both at Clean Cut Woodworking. Thanks. Have a good one. Stay sharp and cut up.